This is the IKEA trådfri gateway. It is a gateway to control the IKEA smart bulb and other IKEA accessories. It is internet connected and works with the Apple HomeKit, Google Assistant and Amazon Alexa, an IKEA native application that you can use as well. The package includes an AC adapter, the gateway, which has indicators for power, internet and connected devices. The inside is quite spacious. Use the inside as cable management. There are two cables in the box, one USB, two micro USB and one Ethernet cable. And then there's some boring manuals. I bought two IKEA light bulbs with two different socket sizes. The lifespan of one of these bulbs are at least 25,000 hours. Let's say if you use your bulb for 12 hours a day, then it will last about 5 years. To set up the gateway you need to first download the IKEA trådfri app from either App Store or Google Play. First you will connect your gateway to the power and your gateway. Then you will scan the URL code on the back of your gateway. In order to connect a light bulb to your gateway, you will need controllers. I happen to have the dimmer. You connect the dimmer by keeping it close to the gateway and holding the button. The trådless application also has functions for timers, activating a specific scene on the morning. If you want more information on what you can do with the trådfri app or what you can do with Apple's HomeKit together with trådfri, then please subscribe and hit the notification bell. I will upload videos about this in the near future. Thanks for watching.